Escape the big city. Explore a new territory. Experience Tibetan culture and traditions. At Kechara Forest Retreat, an hour from Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia, nature, meditation, beauty and spirituality come to life in this forest enclave. Visit the world's largest Dorje Shikten at Malaysia's largest Tibetan temple. Admire the Himalayan architecture. Try the pilgrimage walk. Or make special wishes for healing and good fortune. Nurture mind, body and spirit with popular meditation retreats. Discover ancient remedies and contemporary methods for peace, healing and happiness. Relax and unwind in the rustic comfort of Manjushri guest house. Leave recharged and ready for whatever life sends your way. Listen to nature's whisper. Retreat to Kechara's forest for a blissful, unique Tibetan experience. KecharaForestRetreat.com